Hi guys, in this video I will be unboxing something. This is the LEGO Speed Champions Lotus Evijia. The front of the box here displays the cool looking profile of the car. You can see that this is an official LEGO products, licensed by Lotus. On the back here, there are a few more pictures of the car from different angles, and also an image of the real-life version of the car. LEGO classifies this set age rating to 8+, normal just like the other Speed Champions sets. Now let's open the box and see the contents inside. This here is the decal provided. I think LEGO should have put this sheet of decal in some kind of plastic wrapping or bag so that it will be more protected. As you can see, this set contains 2 bags of parts, which we will assemble to construct the car. There are also some parts that are placed in separate small bag, and some loose parts that are not in any bags. Now let's take a look at the manual book. There is no information about the car in the manual. But the construction manual are very clear and straight to the point, which is common coming out from LEGO. And this page here shows what will we have when we finished bags 1 and 2. You can see here that the images and instructions are very easy to follow, just like I mentioned just now. On the back here, there are 2 pages, showing all the parts from this set. And here is a fancy image showing the finished product, with stars and bang bang effects. LOL. That's all for the unboxing guys, thanks for watching.